If you've ever clicked a PDF link in Chrome and it opened in the browser instead of downloading, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to stop PDF files from opening in Chrome and change the settings so they download automatically instead. This is a quick fix, but it can save you a lot of time if you regularly work with PDFs and want them saved directly to your computer. If this tutorial helps, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more simple tech tips and step-by-step guides. Let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the browser window. You'll see the three vertical dots menu. Click that menu to open Chrome's main settings options. From here, find and click Settings. Now you'll be taken into the Chrome settings page. On the left-hand sidebar, click Privacy and Security. This section controls a lot of the browsing and content preferences in Chrome, so this is where we need to make the change. After that, in the main panel, click Site Settings. This area lets you control what different kinds of content are allowed to do in your browser. Next, scroll all the way down the Site Settings page. You need to go to the very bottom and look for Additional Content Settings. Click it to expand the menu. Once it opens, select PDF Documents. This is the key setting. Under the Default Behavior section, you'll see an option that is currently set to open PDFs in Chrome. To make PDFs download instead, change that selection to Download PDFs. As soon as you turn this on, any PDF link you click on the web will download directly to your computer instead of opening in a browser tab. That's it. No extra software, no complicated steps, and no need to keep changing it every time. If you ever want Chrome to open PDFs again, just come back to this same menu and switch the setting back. If this video helped, make sure to give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next easy tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.